Hey guys, Brian Hofmann here from Mortgage Nerds in Appleton, and I am with.
Pam Gustafson with Mortgage Nerds in Appleton.
Yes, you are. So, today we're going to talk about some exciting mortgage news that just came out. Right now, there's actually a change in the loan limits for county loan limits, and this is a pretty big deal in the industry for us.
Absolutely.
Why don't you go through and let people know the changes, and then we'll kind of talk about the benefits of how that can help them and what's going to go on from there.
So on a conforming loan, the loan limit for a single family home went up $98,950. It was $548,250, and it went to $647,200.
Okay, so let's talk about why is that important? What does that do for a consumer with that increase in the loan limit?
Well, it keeps you in conventional loan pricing versus going into a jumbo loan.
Okay, so
what's huge.
Right. So what that means is now they have what's called the conforming conventional limit going up from $548,250,
Right.
okay, up to that new loan amount of the $647,200. So if you purchased a home in the last year, in the last month, and you have a loan amount that is between $548,250 and $647,200, you just went from a conforming limit to a jumbo you were at. Jumbo has much worse rates than the actual conforming limit.
Exactly.
You need to look into refinancing.
Right.
I mean, there is no doubt it will be a benefit to you, especially at those loan amounts. Even a quarter, 3/8 of a point in rate
on that loan amount
can make a huge difference. Absolutely.
Right.
So once these conventional loan limits come out, now you start getting the difference in the other type of loan programs. So FHA financing, new loan limits for that came out.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's the biggest jump we've seen in a few years. It went from 356, 362 to 420, 680.
Yeah, that's massive.
That's really big.
Right. So now with FHA financing, if you're going to purchase a house, normally lower credit scores typically when you're going to see somebody using the FHA financing,
higher
debt ratios, things like that.
Yep.
But with that, now somebody doesn't have to bring in a massive amount of money sometimes to purchase that higher end home.
Right. To get to the FHA base limit.
Right. I mean, so that's massive. I mean, that is literally, $60,000, $70,000 difference of somebody bringing something in or not.
Exactly.
Another big factor that will go into this and with VA financing, tell me, where the benefit is on VA.
Well, the VA also increased to the same as the conforming, but with the entitlement, we've done that a lot. The two people having two VA loans.
Yeah, so
go ahead.
With the VA financing, you have that bonus entitlement to where if you have one loan and you have some of your entitlement used, now you can actually go no money down. This allows you to buy a house up to $100,000 more than previously with two VA loans.
And with zero down.
Exactly. Yeah. So it's a massive benefit to everybody in the entire lending community and all the borrowers. And it's definitely something to look into. Like I said, if you purchased recently or even refinanced and you have that loan limit in between that $548,250 and then the new loan amount. Yeah. So it's definitely something we'd love to give you, an estimate, see if it's something that would make sense for you. Otherwise, check with the local broker and see what they can do. So.
And then obviously 2-unit, 3-unit, and 4-unit all went up. Limits went up too. So
absolutely,
always worth a
$100%.
conversation.
So hopefully this gives you guys some new insight into the loan amounts and how it can benefit you. Remember, mortgages are complex. Let mortgage nerds